Hi guys, so in this video I will present some stocks which I have selected for intraday and swing trade for 16th April, which is tomorrow, Friday. And until stock is not triggered, you can keep them in radar for next week as well. So let's see. So the first stock I kept is Bajaj Electric, and the reason is we can see the 4 days it had made a same high. Like you can see this, all these candles of daily candles have equal high. So I will choose the maximum 1071 it is, and so safe side I will keep 1072, and stop loss I will keep as of today's closing. So this is the first stock I will keep in radar, and another one is KSCL, Kaveri Seeds. So this, if you see, the stock is mostly in a range, and almost from September. So this stock in intraday you can buy above 570, keep stop loss of today's closing around 562, 61, and this is good for swing as well. You can see where is this? This range is around of 80, 80 points. It can give this much target in uh, positional as well. So this stock you can buy and swing or intraday. And if you are doing intraday, you can leave. So what I generally do, if the stock pattern is good, I buy few quantity. I buy some quantity in MIS and I book 80, 70, 80%, and 30% I leave it for swing trade. The next one is Power India. So this I selected, not very like convincing setup, but still we have 2 days equal high, and we can buy this above 1544. But you'll track this in intraday as well on 5 minute chart, like how it is moving, and you'll find out like where if it is making some base so that we can place our stop loss, and where that trade is actually triggering. We have to check that, because if it is moving directly like this and breaking this, we can't take that trade. So this is one stock we have to keep in radar. You can observe this in intraday. Another one is from FNO. I have choose this HDFC. Reason is two highs and hammer. So I will buy above hammer, and I will keep SL below today's closing. So mine is simple: 2556, SL 2545, which is today's closing. And another one is this Procter and Gamble. Somebody shared in group, and I grabbed it. This stock, you can see this is kind of a range. It was today. It almost reached that range. So we can buy this above 13803, but we have to check that in intraday as well. We might we may get an early entry around 1710 also. So that 100 points early we can take entry in this one also, but we have to see the movement in intraday, how this opens, where it opens. Otherwise, if it opens gap up, then we'll leave it. So Power India and PGHH, Procter and Gamble, we have to check little bit in intraday as well, how they are moving. Another one is DCM Sriram. This is in a kind of range. When it break this thing above 572, we'll buy, and stop loss we will keep according to intraday pattern of 5 minutes. And if it is breaking like in a parabolic move opening here and directly breaking breaching that, then that is risky. You can take trade but keep very small as well, but generally those trades retrace very fast. Another trade is JSL Hishar. This you can buy above 140.20. This is the high. Maximum high is around 140.15. This is 139. This is 140. So yeah, above 140 you can buy actually, and keep SL around today's closing. And this one is for sorting. That is Indus. You can sort below 840. You can keep stop loss 850 to 85. Again, we have to check on intraday what is that pattern. We have to check it in intraday for stop loss. But the trigger is this 840. So these are the stocks for intraday. Bajaj Electric, Kaveri Seed, HDFC, Power India, and Procter Gamble. Levels are good, but we have to watch in intraday. DCM Sriram and JSL Hisar. Few cash stocks I have. One is Signed. I'm tracking this from few days. So I will trade once it reaches 710. MIS I think is not available, so we have to buy it in cash. This is kind of ascending triangle, so we'll keep this in radar. Another one is SHK. Uh, so this is around 142. This will be good for a swing trade. So this is kind of given a TL breakout here, and I was actually missed this. It was in my watch list for today, 132. So we have to see this. And if you're a risky trader, bit you can buy our 136 in swing and carry. If it breaks this, very good. Fluorocam, I am keeping this for positional. I am already in this trade, so you can see it is almost trading near to its previous high. So you can take entry here for positional. Keep this in radar. Can watch its intraday pattern. Another one is small stock, but the pattern looks good to me. Last time I have traded this around this 23 and I moved. So now this we can buy above 33 for swing trade. So Signed is in radar, and Fluorocam you can buy for positional, DCW you can buy for swing, and SHK also. And this is OAL, Oriental Aromatics Limited, above 750, 755, and we have to buy this in cash because MIS is not available. But we will do intraday on this in cash. We can do above 755. And another is methanol. This also we can buy in cash above 752. So these two stocks you can buy in cash in intraday. Yes. Two more stocks. Pattern is good, but I don't know much about these companies, or maybe some news is there. This is 63 noon. The pattern is good. But I think there is some news going on this stock. And this is GSS. Pattern is good. We can buy about 60, 61, 62 for swing trade. This is overall watch list. Bajaj Electric, Kscl. Good. We can buy this in swing and intraday both. HDFC, JSL, Hisar. If it sustain breakout, we can keep this in swing as well. Power India we have, Procter and Gamble we have, DCM Sriram. Uh, this also we can keep for swing. This kind of rectangle here. Indus for short, Scient is ascending triangle, breakout about 710. SHK you can buy above high, you can take a small risk and it breaks this level. Let's go. This will be the safe entry. European, it is trading above high, so risky because it done a long parabolic move kind of straight. So if you're a safe player, you can avoid this. DCW again for swing, and then we have OL, gas stock, methanol, GSS. And again, if you are a risky trader, you can put some capital. Don't put much in this. 63 months. So this is all from my side for today. And yeah.